Many people have preconceived ideas that steering wheel spinners are only for truckers, farm equipment drivers, or disabled individuals. Spinners are certainly useful in those situations, but in fact, anyone can use a steering wheel spinner anywhere. That being the case, which steering wheel spinner should you get? We'll help you find the best steering wheel knob spinner to drive safely.
Experience pain when driving? Drive with style with 4-ring steering wheel spinner knob. Driving has never been this easy and as enjoyable. To install, simply place the knob around your steering wheel, choosing between 1 or 2 pads for a snug fit. Tighten the bolt and you're ready to drive. The premium matte black design has quality silicone, making it easy to grip and makes for smooth handle steering. Have the driving
inside my head. Hands up if you're down to get down tonight, 'cause it's always a good time. Slept in all my clothes like I didn't.